This year's design challenge is called the Cableway Challenge.
Aerial transport has become the key mode of transport. The primary objective is to design and construct a cableway system capable of safely moving across mountainous terrain.
The scenario would be far in the future when the world had flooded and all populations were sitting and living up in high mountains. We split the teams into 3 specialized categories: rescue, tourism, and construction. Each category had their own specialized set of features that required students to design gondolas with the elements that would actually overcome tasks. For example, in the rescue track, they would need to design a winch system that would drop a rope to save a little Lego person and winch him back up to safety. Essentially what the students were tasked with, they have to either motorize a cable that would push the gondola back and forth, that would be attached to it, or they had the option to motorize the gondola that would move on the cable back and forth. All gondolas were made from technical equipment like the Lego Technics, and also incorporated Arduino electrics to have certain features like the gyroscope to measure the stability and sort of gravity forces on the gondola. And we also made the students develop LED systems and also sound systems that would mimic what real-life construction, rescue and tourism vehicles would be like. In addition to all of the design work, students also had to pitch ideas, so they had to develop a brand sense of what their gondola would be like, or the cableway system would be like. With the rescue, construction and tourism categories, they had to think about how this is brought across in a design sense, in terms of a brand, a logo. They had to come up with an elevator pitch, 90 seconds to get a message and communicate what they wanted. And they had to convince people of investing in their ideas. Students really delivered on this, some really experimenting with charisma, some experimenting with graphics and logo designs, really incorporating all of the vocabulary and content situation with this design challenge.
Have you ever seen a landmark, monument, or famous attraction without any obstructions? Have you ever felt attractions to be too crowded? Well, with our new cable car, Sky Searcher, the only thing clearer than the attraction will be the sky itself.
While our journey provides a relaxing yet exhilarating experience, it not only attracts new tourists and customers, but also brings back old ones.
Imagine this, a state-of-the-art cable car system that not only offers stunning views of Hong Kong, but is also designed with sustainability in mind.
Most vehicles are inefficient when it comes to transporting and constructing buildings in remote areas, which is why aerial transport is becoming the key mode of transportation.
The Lookman is a powerful, durable cable car that specializes in transportation and construction.
So, are you ready to elevate your adventure? Let's soar today!
Experience the thrill of lifted spirits, where our innovative Lego design showcases an unfinished masterpiece with a comfortable interior and panoramic windows for breathtaking views.
Hello everybody, we're excited to introduce you to the Summit Sky Tours,
where we're not just about elevating experiences, but also transforming tourism in our region.
Imagine breathtaking views.
This theme was pushed throughout the campuses, with the lower years also having a cableway challenge in the form of a cable car.
This year's Design Week challenge was cable car, and we participated from pre-K till grade 5. Pre-K and nursery would be making robots that they can balance, understanding the key concept of balance and gravity. Kindergarten and grade 1 made cardboard cable cars, and they had a fun time doing racing with it. Grade 2 and grade 3 are doing a rescue challenge using cable cars, using stop animations. And grade 4 and 5 took it a step ahead, and they made motorized cable cars.
This cross-campus collaboration allowed students from all different ages throughout the school to really participate and engage in this STEAM-based activity and do a lot of problem solving. Students really applied themselves fantastically, and we saw some excellent results.
It's my first time taking charge in the design challenge. Since I'm the oldest student in my group this year, I really had to take charge and take leadership. So it was a really good opportunity for me to grow and also learn more about robotics.
So this past week has been really fun for me, and I think the highlight was definitely meeting new people, making friends with new people, and getting new experience. And I really like the fact that I get to learn how to use more technology and I can use it for my future.
I've really enjoyed the design challenge because I've gotten to work with people I don't usually work with, and I've learned a lot. It's been really enjoyable and fun.
This was definitely one of the most challenging challenges for the students, as it required a lot of skill development, a lot of team participation, and also it required them to learn new things about electronics and developing mechanical systems with gears and moving it up and down.
I think my favorite part of the whole building process was adding a servo motor to a trapdoor that allowed us to drop cargo bricks. And the whole experience was really fun, and I really got to use Lego, which is something that I've enjoyed growing up, and incorporate that into school, which I think is something that's really special as well.
I can't believe what the students have done. It has been one of the most enjoyable, stressful, hard-working situations, and it's been a fantastic experience. I can't wait for the next one.